My summer research project focused on recreating a 3D printed prosthetic with sensors and motors to keep the hand level and keep it at low cost. Working with Dr. Ybarra was definitely helpful to hear his feedback and his ideas of why things weren't working and the physics behind it.
So this project that Rachel did combines cheap, as far as 3D printed materials, which are relatively inexpensive, and the electronic sensing that allows these finer movements that basically are there to enhance the quality of life.
Yeah, definitely the biggest thing I learned was troubleshooting, how to fix the problems, identify what was wrong, come up with solutions, and keep trying different things. I did this project because I'm very interested in biomedical engineering, so I thought creating something like this would definitely prepare me for future research or grad school and jobs.